What's up guys, today's video on the top 5 best stand mixer reviews. Through intensive research and testing we put together listed options. They will meet different types of buyers, so whether it's price, performance or particular use, we covered all. For more information on products I have included the links in description box down below which you updated for best price. 5. Hamilton Beach Electric Stand Mixer is a versatile and efficient kitchen appliance that offers a range of features to assist you in your baking and cooking endeavors. With its 4-quart stainless steel bowl, dough hook, and flat beater attachments, it allows you to mix various ingredients and prepare dough with ease. One of the standout features of this mixer is its splash guard, which helps prevent any mess or splattering while mixing. This feature is especially useful when working with liquid ingredients or high-speed settings. It ensures a clean and tidy countertop, saving you time on clean-up. With 7 different speeds to choose from, this stand mixer provides flexibility for different recipes and ingredients. Whether you need to gently fold in delicate ingredients or mix thick doughs, you can easily adjust the speed to achieve the desired consistency. Inclusion of a whisk attachment is another bonus, as it allows you to whip up light and fluffy batters, creams, and meringues. This adds to the versatility of the mixer, enabling you to tackle a wide range of recipes. Black design with a top handle not only looks sleek and modern but also adds convenience when moving or storing the mixer. The top handle provides a secure grip, making it easy to lift and transport the mixer whenever needed. Overall, Hamilton Beach Electric Stand Mixer is a reliable and efficient kitchen appliance that delivers on performance and convenience. With its range of attachments, splash guard, adjustable speeds, and user-friendly design, it's a valuable addition to any home baker or cooking enthusiast's kitchen. 4. Small Electric Food Mixer Stand Mixer Kitchen in the Box 3.2 QT Small Electric Food Mixer is a portable and lightweight kitchen appliance that offers versatility and convenience for your daily mixing needs. Despite its small size, it provides a range of features to assist you in various cooking and baking tasks. One of the standout features of this stand mixer is its compact design, making it suitable for small kitchens or those with limited counter space. Its lightweight construction also makes it easy to move and store when not in use, offering added convenience. With its 3.2-quart capacity, this mixer is suitable for everyday use. It comes with 3 essential attachments: an egg whisk, a dough hook, and a flat beater. These attachments allow you to whip up egg whites, knead dough for bread or pastries, and mix various ingredients for batters or doughs. This versatility ensures that you can tackle a wide range of recipes with ease. Mixer offers 6 different speed settings, allowing you to adjust the speed according to your specific requirements. Whether you need a gentle mix or a high-speed blend, you can easily select the appropriate setting to achieve the desired consistency. Operating the mixer is simple and user-friendly. It typically has intuitive controls, making it easy for both beginners and experienced cooks to use. The attachments are detachable, allowing for easy cleaning and maintenance. Despite its small size, this stand mixer delivers reliable performance. Its motor provides sufficient power to handle various mixing tasks effectively. It ensures consistent and thorough mixing, resulting in well-blended ingredients and smooth batters. Stand mixer Kitchen in the Box 3.2 QT Small Electric Food Mixer is a portable and versatile kitchen appliance that offers convenience and efficiency. Its compact design, multiple speed settings, and included attachments make it a valuable addition to any kitchen. Whether you're whisking eggs, kneading dough, or mixing batters, this stand mixer can handle it all with ease. 3. Peddlers 6 QT 660 watt 6-speed tilt-head food mixer is a powerful and versatile kitchen appliance that offers a range of features to assist you in your culinary adventures. With its large 6-quart capacity and robust 660 watts motor, this mixer is designed to handle even the toughest mixing tasks with ease. One of the standout features of this food mixer is its tilt-head design. This allows for easy access to the mixing bowl and attachments, making it convenient to add ingredients or switch between attachments during the mixing process. The tilt-head feature also aids in easy removal of the bowl and attachments, simplifying clean-up after use. This mixer comes with 3 essential attachments: a dough hook, a wire whip, and a beater. The dough hook is ideal for kneading dough for bread or other baked goods, while the wire whip is perfect for whipping up fluffy creams or meringues. The beater attachment is suitable for mixing various ingredients, such as batters and cookie dough. This range of attachments ensures versatility and enables you to tackle a wide array of recipes. With its 6-speed settings, this food mixer provides flexibility for different mixing needs. Whether you require gentle stirring or high-speed beating, you can easily adjust the speed according to your requirements. The controls are usually easy to operate, allowing for precise control over the mixing process. Powerful 660 watts motor ensures efficient and consistent mixing performance. It delivers ample power to handle heavy doughs or dense batters, resulting in thoroughly mixed ingredients and smooth textures. The mixer operates smoothly and quietly, allowing you to enjoy a hassle-free mixing experience. Peddler's 6QT 660 watts 6-speed tilt-head food mixer is a reliable and efficient kitchen appliance. Its large capacity, tilt-head design, versatile attachments, and powerful motor make it a valuable tool for both professional and home kitchens. Whether you're baking bread, preparing cake batters, or whipping creams, this food mixer can handle it all with ease and precision. 2 Chefly Stand Mixer is a powerful and versatile kitchen appliance that offers a range of features to simplify your cooking and baking tasks. With its large 6-quart capacity, 600 watts motor, and 6 different speed settings, this mixer is designed to handle a variety of mixing needs. One of the standout features of this stand mixer is its generous 6-quart stainless steel bowl. This spacious bowl allows you to mix large quantities of ingredients, making it ideal for preparing dough, creams, cakes, and more for larger gatherings or special occasions. With its 600 watts motor, this mixer delivers ample power to handle even heavy doughs and dense batters. The motor operates smoothly and efficiently, ensuring consistent mixing results. Whether you're kneading dough or blending cake batter, this mixer can handle the task with ease. Chefly Stand Mixer comes with 6 accessories that enhance its versatility. These include a dough hook, a beater, a whisk, a scraper, a splash guard, and a silicone spatula. The dough hook is perfect for kneading dough, while the beater attachment is great for mixing various ingredients. The whisk attachment allows you to whip up fluffy creams and meringues. This stand mixer offers 6 different speed settings, allowing you to adjust the speed according to your specific requirements. Whether you need a gentle stir or a high-speed mix, you can easily select the appropriate speed for your recipe. The speed controls are usually user-friendly and provide precise control over the mixing process. Chefly Stand Mixer is a reliable and efficient kitchen appliance that offers convenience and versatility. Its large capacity, powerful motor, and range of accessories make it suitable for various mixing tasks. Whether you're baking bread, preparing cake batter, or mixing creams, this stand mixer can handle it all, helping you achieve excellent results in your culinary endeavors. 1 Vospeed 5-in-1 Stand Mixer is a powerful and multifunctional kitchen appliance that offers a wide range of features to enhance your cooking and baking experience. With its 850 watts motor, large 7.5-quart stainless steel bowl, and various attachments, this mixer is designed to handle a variety of tasks. One of the standout features of this stand mixer is its multifunctionality. In addition to the mixing capabilities, it comes with the 1.5 liters glass jar and a meat grinder attachment. The glass jar is perfect for blending soups, smoothies, and other liquid-based recipes. The meat grinder attachment allows you to grind meat and prepare homemade sausages. This versatility eliminates the need for multiple appliances, saving both space and time in the kitchen. 7.5-quart stainless steel bowl is generously sized, allowing you to mix large quantities of ingredients. This is especially useful for baking or cooking for a larger family or gathering. The tilt-head design provides easy access to the bowl, making it convenient to add ingredients or switch attachments. Vospeed Stand Mixer includes 3 essential attachments: a hook, a whisk, and a beater. The hook attachment is ideal for kneading dough, while the whisk attachment is great for whipping creams, egg whites, and meringues. The beater attachment is suitable for mixing various ingredients and batters. These attachments, combined with the powerful 850 watts motor, ensure thorough and consistent mixing results. Clean up is a breeze with this mixer. As many of the attachments are dishwasher safe, this saves you time and effort on manual cleaning. Overall, VSpeed 5-in-1 stand mixer is a versatile and powerful kitchen appliance. Its multifunctionality, large capacity, and range of attachments make it a valuable addition to any kitchen. So that's it for the best 5-stand mixer. Thanks for watching video. Do subscribe for more amazing videos and hit like button, comment below and share with your friends.